7 Kenyan medical union officials jailed for their role in a strike that has crippled public hospitals were free today ahead of their appeal and will resume negotiations with the government. A Labour court had sentenced the Kenya medical practitioners, pharmacists and dentist union officials to a month in jail on Monday. Their sentencing prompted their union to say it was calling off talks with the government to end the strike, which began on the 5th of December in state hospitals. Representatives of some 5,000 doctors in the public sector argue that their primary demand, a fourfold increase in pay, was already part of a collective bargaining agreement signed in 2013 but never brought into effect.
This morning we have agreed by consent for the union officials to be released from custody unconditionally so that they can resume the negotiations that had been going on early last week and therefore so that we can have a mediated solution. The principle is this: you cannot have a doctor in jail for one more day. That is one. Number two, you cannot negotiate while the prison sentence or the threat of arrest is hanging on the heads of the doctors. And therefore I'm happy today that the parties in this matter have finally ceded ground to the extent that we can now negotiate on an equal platform.
We are very pleased with this ruling today. This is one of the resolutions we had made yesterday. We had called for this court to release our doctors. We have talked about this again and again, that there are no negotiations that were going to go ahead without the doctors being released. So this ruling therefore allows that process to continue. So next steps now, we believe that is the government is going to come through in goodwill, sit on that table, we negotiate this matter and close the matter so that the public health system can arise.
This government has let the people of Kenya down by violating flagrantly the new constitution. I think that our doctors deserve a much better treatment. This is very dehumanizing. It's a case where innocent doctors are now behind bars, that you have to come to court to get their release.